these shutdowns are great. Puts money in our pockets, and it helps the Irvings rebuild their mills, and so they can compete in the future. We've always had a great relationship with our union with the Irvings, and hopefully it'll continue.
E&W will have approximately 150 tradesmen on site between day and night shifts, and with those tradesmen we also we employ local subcontractors, local businesses. The partnership with Irving is basically what keeps us going, at least in St. John and in New Brunswick. Most of these tradesmen and companies are all local.
We come in with millwrights and pipe fitters and boilermakers and laborers, and we do what we do. We lift heavy things, we move them into place, change them out, weld them in place, and we have 150 people here doing that over the next couple weeks here at IPP.
This is a very big event for both the folks here at Irving Pulp and Paper and the folks at Irving Tissue. It's about a 10-day shutdown where we'll have hundreds of contractors and outside resources on site. This represents a $22 million investment between the two facilities. And for us here at the pulp mill, we're considered the heart of the JDI forest products value chain. And this will enable us to operate safely and efficiently for our future.